Hello friends, in this video I'll tell you how to trim video in Capcut. Please like and subscribe and let's get started. So let's create a new project. Tap on a new project, select any video and click add. Great, a new project has been created, and to trim the video clip we tap on it and it highlights in white. Now to trim part of the video on the left side, hold your finger on the left edge of the clip where there is a black vertical stripe and pull this edge to the right side. As you can see, the seconds are decreasing, which means we are trimming the video clip. We do the same on the right side, hold your finger on the vertical stripe on the right and pull it to the left side. And to cut a part of the video clip, we use the split button for this. For example, we need to cut a part of the clip from the 4th second to the 9th. Move the playback cursor to the 4th second. The video clip time counter is perfectly visible at the top and left above the playback cursor. Next, tap the split button and we've split the original video clip. Now we go to the 9th second and do the same thing. We have divided the video into 3 parts, each of which we can delete. Tap on any part of the video and select the delete option from the bottom of the ribbon. And this part of the video has been deleted. It's all, now we know more.